Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the NISHICA CL671 touch lamp portable speaker. This is a Bluetooth speaker that also functions as a night lamp. So let's quickly take a look at what features that we have with us. Okay, it's talking about how to use it, how to change the light modes, and we don't have a lot of information outside that. Over here it's written the previous key to choose a song, long press the previous key to adjust volume, same with the next one. And there's a mode key to change the different lights and to enter different music modes, and that's more or less it. I'm going to open it and show you what's inside. So there you go, these are all the components of the box. First up we have a user manual which you should read at least once in order to figure out how to use this particular device. There are also two cables. This is the micro USB cable for charging this device, and this is a 3.5mm aux line-in cable for when you want to use it, when you want to directly connect it to a listening device. And now this is the CL671. There's some lot of unique features here. This is basically the lamp part, and over here is your speaker. It has a nice metallic mesh on top. So yeah, it seems metallic. And over here we have the controls. These are the different controls for this is mode selection, previous, next track, previous track, play, pause and stop button over here. Over here there's a USB-A port, there's a micro SD card slot, an aux port, a micro USB slot, and this is your on-off button. Underneath we have this particular handle for carrying it around. This is a great addition. I'm going to turn it on now and see what this is like.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, now I'm going to press on mode. So every time you touch the top of this particular lamp, it changes the intensity of the light, the brightness of the light. 2, 3 and 4. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3. The 3 light intensities, and press one more to switch it off. And what else do we have? Let's connect it to Bluetooth and see if this works. I'll turn on the light for now. I'll go to the Bluetooth settings page on my smartphone and look for a new device. I'm getting a CL671. And there.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
This particular lamp slash portable speaker comes with one particular color, which is warm white. So now I have paired this particular speaker to my smartphone. I'll play some music and demonstrate the sound. Sound seems to be pretty less. I will increase the volume. Oh, that's the highest volume on the speaker. I will increase the volume on the phone. There you go. There you go. Sounds pretty great, in fact. One second, there you go. I will keep it to this brightness. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the NISHICA CL671 touch lamp plus portable speaker. Thank you for watching.